Hi everyone, I'm Crinkle. Welcome to my channel this week. Today we will learn how to make these heart-shaped hot chocolate bombs for Valentine's Day. This idea is very creative and super fun to do. Let's get started. We will need an 8-cavity hard silicone mold. Melt 2 cups of white chocolate in a microwave for 1 minute at 50% power and then stir well. Put it back in the microwave for an additional 30 seconds, then keep stirring until it is fully liquid. With a spoon, pour the melted chocolate over the silicone mold, spreading it all over the mold crevices. Place the mold face down on a cookie sheet to drain off the excess chocolate. Place it in the freezer for 5 minutes. Get the mold out of the freezer and apply the second coat of chocolate to reinforce the borders. This way they won't break when we take them out of the mold. Once again, drain off the excess chocolate over a cookie sheet. Put it back in the freezer for another 5 minutes. To remove, carefully pull the mold to one side and slowly pull back. Repeat the same process to remove the rest of the chocolate hearts. Using a previously warmed plate in the microwave, press the hearts against that plate to even up the borders. For the filling, we will use 1 tablespoon of strawberry Nesquik in each heart. We will also add rainbow white chocolate chips. We will add the traditional mini marshmallows. And lastly, a drizzle of strawberry syrup. Reheat the plate in the microwave and press the hearts against the plate so the borders can melt and be ready to seal together. Try to align them as much as possible to avoid big holes or bumps. With red chocolate melt, drizzle lines over the hearts like this. Then sprinkle different types and kinds of sprinkles while the chocolate is still liquid. Repeat the same process for the rest of the hearts. You don't need to follow a specific design, decorate them as you like. Now we will need a small window box. Assemble the box, reinforcing the sides with tape. This step will help so the box doesn't break or bend. For the base, we will place heart-shaped dollies like this. To keep them from moving, we will secure them to the base with tape, trying to keep it hidden. Now we will place the chocolate hearts in these cube cupcake liners. Avoid touching the chocolate with your fingers for too long so it doesn't stain or melt. Use red crinkle paper to fill out the empty spaces around the hearts and to finish decorating the inside of the box. To decorate the lid, we will use bright red ribbon. With a hot glue gun, glue the ribbon vertically in the middle of the lid. Then glue another ribbon on top, forming a cross. Make a bow and glue it in the middle where the two ribbons meet. For a better look, trim off the extra pieces and imperfections. Now for the shell, place the chocolate bomb in a mug and pour hot milk over it. And voila! Look how it is beautifully dissolving, just like magic.
Delicioso!
And it is ready. Look how beautiful it turned out. It is a perfect and delicious gift for Valentine's Day. This idea is very creative and super easy to do. Try it out, I'm sure you will love it. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. Bye!